Finally, man. Finally. Been searching for these for the longest time, doing research, going from wanting them to not wanting them to wanting them again, going to buying them. I past couple weeks I was buying them on different websites and whatnot, and the order kept getting canceled. I couldn't figure out why, so I called them, and everybody was saying they're on back order. So I don't know if they're still making them or what's going on. I don't know if the demand is high right now, but finally got them. The comp cams, adjustable cam gears for the 4.6 liter 2 valve or 4 valve modular motor. And I lucked up. I got these from JSR Racing, John Smith Racing off of eBay. Just so happened to find them. They were the last one he had, and I jumped on them. We're gonna open this up and see how they come. I wanted to save the surprise or whatever. I did cut it because I'm doing one hand, so that's why. But well, now a lot of people talk bad about these, that they slip and everything. That's part reason why I was kind of iffy about getting them at first, but I really didn't want the trick flow crank gears because I heard you had to weld some stuff, and I didn't want to have to weld anything. All right, let's see what we got. Write some instructions. It says right there for the 4.6 and 5.4 liter, matter of fact. Just in case y'all are curious, give y'all a little insight on it. Probably read this later, just to see if I missed anything. But what sold me on getting these, and forget about what everybody else saying about they slip, was on YouTube. His YouTube channel is Andrew Lavender. Got a mean 2 valve New Edge Mustang, and when I saw him with these, man, he had me sold. If his car could handle it, I know my car would have no problem with it. Let's go through this real quick for y'all. And this last page is like social media and warranty or whatever. They gave me some stickers. Got enough of those for real. Stickers from everybody. No complaints though. That's 5 horsepower each, so I'll take that. Every horsepower count. Now for the gears, baby. This really grinds my gears. Okay. That's a little weird. Okay then. So apparently, I'm gonna have to send these back. I'm blown up at that. Well, this is how it's supposed to look. But let's see if I can put it on. This is how it's supposed to look. This is gonna be a hard time, man. I hope he can resolve this problem. I'm missing the back plate on this gear right here. Oh man. But that's it. Comp cam, adjustable cam gears. Hopefully when you buy them, if you do find them, you won't run into this problem that I have right now. See the numbers in there to degree it, retard, and advanced. Part number again. Well, yep. Now I gotta get in contact with JSR. I'm sure he'll resolve this. It seems like it was a fault from the factory. Everything was definitely sealed up, so I might even have to call comp, but that's it. The comp cam, adjustable cam gears for the 4.6 and 5.42 valve.